What does the term Upa in the term Upanishad denote? Answer: nearness. Which of the following scriptures is not a part of Vedic literature? Answer: Pitakas. The Rigveda is the holiest of the four Vedas, consisting of 10 chapters, called mandalas, of Dud hymns of 10,600 verses. Answer: 1028. In Hinduism, which of the following gods is considered to be the creator? Answer: Brahma. How many stages of life did early Hindu philosophy determine? Answer: 4. Hymns of Rigveda are also known as Answer: Suktas. Which of the following Veda is also called the Book of Song, Veda of Chants, or even Yoga of Song? Answer: Samaveda. Yajurveda is dash-fold. Answer: 2. Which Vedic god falls under the category of Prativistana, terrestrial god? Answer: Brihaspati. According to the Vedic texts, what was the function of Sangrahitras? Answer: treasurer or cashier. Venkateshwara, also known as Venkatachalapati Srinivasa and Balaji, is a form of the Hindu god. Answer: Vishnu. Dhanurveda is the Upveda of the Yajurveda. It deals with Answer: art of warfare. The Vedic time period in India lasted from Answer: 1500 to 500 BC. Which of the following Vedas talks about the treatment of diseases? Answer: Atharva Veda. Who was the grandson of Bhima and Hidimba as per Mahabharata? Answer: Barbarika. The original name of Mahabharata is Answer: Jaya Sanhita. Which Rigvedic god is considered an intermediary between God and men? Answer: Agni. According to the ashrama system of Vedic life, which of the following was the third stage of life? Answer: Vanaprastha. Which among the following was not a part of the three sections of the Rigvedic tribe? Answer: Craftsman. How many mandalas were in Rig Vedic Sanhita? Answer: 10. Which of the following is the earliest literary record of Indian culture? Answer: Rig Veda. In which of the following Vedas was the Sarajna War, the War of 10 Kings, mentioned? Answer: Rig Veda. The main, chief, social unit of the Aryans was Answer: Jana. Which of the four Vedas contains a collection of magic spells and charms to fend off evil spirits and diseases? Answer: Atharva Veda. The language of the Aryan texts was Answer: Sanskrit. As per the Rigvedic or early Vedic period, 1500–1000 BC, who among the following was a river goddess? Answer: Sindhu. Purusha Sukta is a hymn from which Veda? Answer: Rig Veda. In which of the following Vedas the knowledge related to music is stored? Answer: Samaveda. Mundaka Upanishad belongs to The. Answer: Atharva Veda. What is the meaning of Yajur in Yajurveda? Answer: sacrifice.
Gotta focus on it.